Probando.
Looking like they're going to be contacting it. Utility over the top. Flashbang does not blind. Smoke deployed, and that gives him the space to work with.
This only adds an advantage to Nico's.
Hello, stream.
Should be good for this.
Hello, stream.
A very popular boost at this level. They realize once they limit all the positions, they're just on a
I'm watching the final rounds between Cloud9 and G2 on the second map. Let's see how it is going. 12 to 15 to G2 in city side.
They have to be concerned about here. We saw what Monacy did last time. He can pull up the repeat.
And we've seen what he's capable
It's getting very interesting for now, this game.
So they're going to boost over a scope. What a smart play.
Let's see if this ends fast. Monacy is so fast, man.
Playing well above his years. And now stands within the site. They creep around the backside of the smoke.
Well, one more round for Cloud9. 13 to 15. Well, maybe I'm speaking too soon, but seems like that.
And it's 13 now for Cloud9.
And the way it
Yeah. 13 for Cloud9. So today we have some boxes that came from America. We have some problems with the boxes. Look at this.
They're getting into position at the right time, hitting the weaker
I have to, yeah. Look at this. Open. It came open. And this one have some really big damage, as you can see. But well, PUBG Mobile Global Championship, blah 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 blah. I bought this because was so cheap to bring here to Spain, for example, that I'm living. So I will try some luck. Let's give some time. If this game is going to a third map, I don't really care. Or overtime. I will have it here in my second monitor.
Cloud9 are going through the motions right now. They're just too clean for them. Even in that
But seems like a funny game.
And they spam him on the corner of the wall. Everything is just going so well for them at the moment. Good read there from Monacy on the boost. It was a great idea from Cloud9 to get over the top.
These two are the best because they are okay. They have not that damage. Only this part. This one and this one. This the large one. So maybe I will, if I don't get anything in two smalls and two large, I will open everything. But if I have one signature, I will have these two for my personal collection, and we'll leave it like this, just close. Because yes. Nico find the opener. Let's see. Going to banana. Cloud9. Trying to get control of that. It's a semi-buy from G2. Is this thing focusing? Yeah, it's okay. I can't ask for more for a 10 euro webcam, so Hobbit killing Nico. Oh my god, Monacy. 2 versus 3. Monacy on triple. Shiro kills Monacy.
10 seconds.
What's up time? So G2 wins. G2 going to the Paris Major. Hope to meet them there. Nice. Good teams going to this major. I miss Astralis, man. Poor device. Well,
Winning it out.
so guys, let's finally open this 2 and 2. I will close WhatsApp web, so there is no. Okay. Let's try to open this small that is completely open. Okay. I have to say that I have no idea whatsoever about the PUBG Mobile world, so for me this is an opening for fun mostly. So I remember that I opened the batch one large from batch A, and I got the golden pan. Oh, the box is really damaged, as you can see. Far travel from America, and they put it in a bag, not even a box. Okay, let's shuffle like always. Oh, I don't have the slips here. Well, it's okay. It's okay. Let's make some space right there. Let's go. First of the packs from batch B. As always, so difficult to open, but this is always in every single Kolex. How are they? Oh, like this. Joker. Tenghis. Race. Another Joker. A legend? Paraboy legend. I like this card. Looks nice. Something weird down there, but overall seems like no print line or anything. Man, I think they did Kolex did a really good job bringing that game. But maybe we should have more games like, well, because they are on CS:GO, right? But they can bring like some StarCraft 2, taking advantage that ESL they work for ESL. King, Footballist, Esports, Order, and Suxi Legend. It's looking nice. Some weird things around, but overall they are okay. I remember this winter I played some games on the PUBG Mobile because I was so bored at my job. It's okay if I say this because I am the boss from the from the from my job, so it's okay, it's okay. So difficult to open. We'll try to see some low mints, but in the batch B. E-shots. I opened the A1 of this. Old boy. Suxi again. And Joker. This is the golden Joker only, no? Nice. Come on. Another pack. Oh, this opened very fast. I like this logo and this name. Sus. Swanguin. Oh, these one are the maps. PUBG Mobile. Ah, okay. The ruins. Hazelnuts and Top Team Nova. Another pack. Oh! For you guys, for you, maybe. Swagin, sorry. Another map, another map. Soulless. What a cool name, man. And a character or character, the girl one. I remember that I opened a lot low mints in the batch in a large box from batch A. Was so fun to open. I have very little space over here. Not even a hand. Nova logo. Let's go. Oh, it's Sub 100. B42. Nice. Let's keep it over there. Rex. Paraboy. Microboy. Paraboy, Microboy, and Top Team Sus. Nice. 4 packs left for the first small box. Gonzo. 3-3 span. Race. Heaven and a logo from I don't know the name of the team. Sorry, I don't have any idea of the PUBG mobile phone game, so RR for me. RR is this logo. RX Jax. A map card. Conina Power. Mad Toy and Team Secret logo. 2 packs left. My camera that I know it's not this one that I took to the PGL Major in Antwerp. It's the other one. Super Yuna. Potato. I want the signature of this guy, man, just because his name is Potato. Sus and no, Kong and 4 a.m. for Angry Man. Last pack, Magic. What do you think? I think not. No, I saw one golden card. Maybe another legend. 4 a.m. again. King. 2K. Gonzo and Corpay. Nice. For a first small, it's okay. Just 2 legends, and one of them Paraboy. It's okay. I'll take it. I like the remember the B42. Next. I know the 2 smalls are more or less good. Which is the better? The better one are the same. Looks the same. I will open this one. Nice. I don't have anything here to open. Pablo, buy me some knife, man, please. By the way, did you see the prices of the CSGO skins, man? They are going up like, oh my god, like a balloon. Finally open, guys. And let's continue with the unboxing. I'm trying to improve my English. I don't know if you are noticing or noticing that. I don't know if says like that. So shuffle time. By the way, I'm surprised that I'm even speaking this well in English because I just have a Spanish siesta, 1 hour of siesta. Because last night I played like until 4 a.m. 2OK, a map, Rex, Frozen 1337, and top player Godless. Well, this t-shirt is nice, no? This jersey? Let's continue. Piri 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 piri. Loot from Footballist. Shine. Gonzo. Black White. Well, Black White. 4 a.m. top team. Nice. I know that maybe I'll don't get anything worth it, but for 17 euro, I'll take that. The price of a box in just 3 large and 3 smalls, you know? For that price is worth the try. So Aguin, Gonzo, Va, and seems like Astralis and Complexity logo in blue. Nice. Let's continue with another pack. Potato, I want your signature, please. Selim. Ba. King. And a character guy. Come on, 1 pack. More. I can feel that there are like bigger cards, one bigger than the other one, as you can see. Maybe you can see. A map. Black White. Ziol. Map. Footballist. Abeli from Sus. Solkei. Map. Renalre and Paraboy Legend again. Give me them legends, please. I love the golden. I wish I had the half of luck than Slame because he bought the same. He took like 2 signatures. Greetings, Slame. Joker, Super Yuna, Moss, Ice, and Law from A7. Would be nice if Epics. I'm thinking about it. Still thinking about it. About getting StarCraft 2 cards. I say that because StarCraft is one of my favorite games, or was. Because now I don't play it, but I like it a lot. A Navi logo, nice. Will be funny if I get a signature of Simple over there. In the major in Paris. Hasaki and Ryzen legend. I rather prefer the guys. The guys how it called holographic, man. I prefer the holographic guys than the Steam logos and all that. Ryzen, SUS, Order, Mathtoy, and Succeed Gold. Nice. Last pack from the second small box. Boom. Map, Kang, Ice, D, and 4 a.m. logo. Nice. Now let's open. We'll see. Pair the cards there. One large. Okay, guys. The broken one. The more broken box. And let's see. Well, if I get a Centurion, is this Centurion? Can't say Centurion. I will be happy too. I don't want the golden pan because I already opened one. But I think this one is the Centurion, the ultra rare. Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's do the shuffle. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. The first row will shuffle a little bit. Whoa, look at this, guys. What? There are some packs upside down. Let's see there. If there's the same, no? Or maybe I did this. I did. Okay, shuffle, 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 shuffle. Have very limited space over there, so have to take the box out. I put the packs here, and let's open the first large box. Luxi, map. What the fuck is this logo? Seems like some Christmas thing. Nova, wolf, a wolf. Second pack. Hugh Hig, Hugh High, Raum, Rex, Map, and Top Team Sus. A7. No? It's like an A and a 7. Terminator logo. Microboy. iShots. Potato. You are here too much time, so I need your signature, please. Microboy. Map. Godless. Moss. And Paraboy. Gold Paraboy over there. Seol from Sus. Jin. I know this is the Team Secret, no? B99, by the way. Low Mint. Shockout. Team Secret. What the fuck is? I don't know, man. And Gonzo Gold. Paof, Nova, Dixie, Joker, and a character guy. Come on, another one. Earn, 3C Svan, Gonzo, Hasaki, and Nova. No, it's not Nova this. Let's continue. Shoykot, Selim, Joker, Map, and Gonzo. A map, Va, Va, oh, Meku, Map, and Suk Legend B52. At least some low min. Let's get rid of it and continue. Swaguni? No. Swagwin? Raum? Nova? Swagwin again? And A7 logo holographic. Official trading cards, blah, 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 blah. UI? Tai? A something? Team Secret? A Navi logo. Finally, summer is coming, man. Here in Spain, we have some nice weather. Gewi, Keng, another low min, B84, Ba. How cool is that? B888. And a character. Let's continue with the opening. Why am receiving so many messages? Please stop. Abeli. Transformer. Earlier I said Terminator. Raum. Solkai. And E-Shots. Nice, nice. Still a lot to open. 693. Dixie. Sus logo. Shoykout. And Suk logo. Logo, sí, yeah. Suk Golden. Second file. Keng. Oh no! I have to put this. The battery of the light just ended. Sorry, guys. I hope they're still working nice for you. Old Boy, Nova, RR, and a character. I hate the character cards. They could put another thing. Map, Kong, Joker, Dixie, and Ryzen Legend. Nice. SUS logo, black white, map, Soul K, and Terminator or what did I say earlier? Logo. Transformer. Oh, I can see some white over there, guys. Will be a signature. D is the card is a little, as you can see. I have it on the table. You can see how big is one. Is this one? D KO map Shine and let's see. It's a signature, guys. We have a signature. 9 of 20 is yeah. 9 of 20. 20 cards per player. Signature. It's potato. It's a Nova one. Order. Nice. When I saw this kind of cards, I love it because it's like that. This design, I like it a lot. The simple ones, like Epix is doing or Kolex is doing a good job, I think, with the signature cards. At the beginning, I didn't like it, the 2023 edition, because it's vertical. But I found it like original in a kind of way that I like it. So Order, thank you for signing this card. Now my life is complete. Well, I say it's too much saying that, no? But uh, for this batch, I mean this buy from this buy, this signature already worth it. My friend Pablo is telling me, ha 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 ha. Yeah, I said some kind of math toy. Pablo, please, can you write on the chat, please? By the way, guys, do you like my new hair? My new haircut? A1 is Esports, Gonzo, and Dante. Nice. What a spoiler, the signature, man. Is bigger than the normal cards. For you guys. The Christmas thing. Oh, this logo, man. I'm so basic. I like the tigers, lions, and Leon, and all kind of stuffs in logos, man. Aggressive logos. A character. Now, as I said, is if I open one signature, I will let the other two boxes close for my collection. Suk, Ba, Hyuhai with the same pose. Chari with the same pose. They have some problem over there. And top 10 Sus. Oh man, how cool would be a Saibu Centurion with his signature movement? Wow. Okay, we got the hit. Oh, I will do one thing. I have 2 packs left, and I will have one sealed. Kong, the Christmas thing, Sus, Hasaki, and Top Sus. I'm getting a lot of Top Sus. Back to back. Back to back pack. A1 Esports, Jay-Z, Leon, Matic, and beer. Or the signature will be nice, beer. Okay, guys, I will let one sealed because I can. I don't know because I hit the hit. I hit the signature, so I like this kind of stuff. Getting some kind of things closed. More cards over there. More cards over there. And now let's open the other that is open too. The other big box or large box. I have on my mind since last night. Did you saw the meme that guy from the train that have a train of how it says, man, a toy train that says, okay, let's go. And then the music of Animals from Martin Garrix appears. I have this meme on my mind since yesterday. Fucking Pablo, man. Another large box. Let's shuffle. And the other one. And I'll take this out. Maybe this way is better. Yeah. Well, not that much, but okay. And now the two amounts and split right there. And yeah, you don't have any sound. Only one. Solo una, motherfucker. Godless. You don't have any god, man? Me neither. The Terminator thing. Sook and Kang. You look dangerous, Kang. Why I didn't check the battery, man? Sus, Team Secret, Dixie, Kang, and character. Maybe next month I'll buy some more futbolist if the price is the same. Silas, because I paid like 26 euro from extra for Amazon to send me the cards. RX Jax and a character. By the way, I can't stream CSGO because my PC is just too slow. Spav 693, Footballist, Terminator, and Lutz B130. Do you remember that line from Terminator? Quiero tu moto. ¿Cómo era? Pablo, you have this in your mind because you are a freak. Tu ropa y tu motocicleta. Selim, Map, Rex, Map, and the Christmas thing. Team Secret. Hello. Paraboy. Ryzen. Lutz. And iShots. Gold eye shots. Tiroritori. I hit the camera. Frozen 1337. King. Gonzo. Sub 100. Map and a character. Well, at least I'm having some low means in batch B, which I think it's nice. Jimmy. How cool is that guy in this photo? Sinister, Sol K, Joker, and top play. Oh, top player, B60. I didn't had any of this. Is this some kind of hit? Maybe. Maybe. A map. Another map. Dante. RR logo and Nova top team. Nice. Oh man, then I have to clean everything. Oh, and slave the hollow ones. Old boy from Navi. Swagwin from A7. Law from A7. RR logo and 4am logo holo. Holo logo holo. "42 minutes of stream. Cool boy. Of course you are cool. Old boy. Well, you are not that old. Beer, Abeli, and footballist. Flux. A map. Matic B16. Renalre. A1 Esports and Nova Holo logo. I would like to open a Centurion. There is a lot of time that I unbox one. Since the first edition CSGO 2020. I opened a Black Centurion device. That feeling, man. That feeling. Abeli, Soldes, Old Boy, and a character. By the way, the order signature is so weird. Luxi from Terminator, Meku from Navi, Solkei, Map, and B12 Team Secret. Nice. Terminator, Hasaki, Abeli, Kang, and a character. Again. Ba, KO, King, Kang, and Ziol. Gold. Nice. Let's go. This is from Epix. Epic is true. They changed the name after. Shots. Leon. Paraboy. Corpay. Top Teen. Terminator. Bigetron Red Aliens. I fucking love this clan. This name, man. Bigetron. Big Etron, maybe? Big Etron Red Aliens. Amazing, man. Amazing. Number one fan. Insta number one fan. Abeli. Christmas time. Soulless. Axer. Character. Ready to war. Order. Hello, Order. You are there. Silas. Oh, like the League of Legends hero or champion. But map 4 a.m. And take this stuff over there. Come on, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packs left. I hope to get another signature, please. Sus. Complexity logo. Ice. Nova. A character. Of course, the complexity logo is a joke. By the way, guys, I'm a little bit worried because the Blast press guys doesn't answer me to be one of the press photographers. It's almost a month for the major, and I don't know anything, man. I only want to work and have fun taking pictures. Beer, black, white, and low gold. Like his hair. Ah, is this one? Yeah, this one is low. I can't open. Map, 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 Selim, and top team Biketron's Red Aliens. Fucking love that name, man. 2 packs left. We'll have some pack magic. Last pack magic. Sus. Earn. Silas. A1 Sports. And the Wolf logo B10. I'll take it. Last pack for today. Okay. This is last pack for today. We have no hit. Maybe that thing was a hit. I don't know. Tae, Shoikot, Spaoff, Liquid, and Sus logo holo. Maybe that was the hit of the box. I don't know what it is. These are low mints. B60, B10, B12, B16, B74, 84, 52, 99, 42, and that's it. And of course, the 9 signature of order. So guys, I have to go right now. So these two, I will think about opening or letting them sealed, just because I can. I don't know. I want to have some sealed stuff, and this is cheap, and it's okay. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to eat something, and because tomorrow I have to work and I have to go to bed early, and I have to clean all this mess that I have over there. So thank you for watching, guys, and bye.